that I built for Google Ad summary. This automation can automatically generate Google Ad campaign report. Then it can create a CSV file. Then it can run a custom report and again create a CSV file. Then it can use ChatGPT to summarize summary and send an email to our client on weekly basis. We don't need to do anything. This automation can handle everything for us. We just need to set up one time. That's okay. Then it can run automatically and sending email. Everything it can do. So if you want to build this automation, please contact me. I will do for you. Here you can see I can provide this workflow link in description. Here you can see we can run it every week. So that's in this video. Thank you for